Good morning, class 1. Welcome to the EVS class. Class 1. In the last class, we learned about the importance days. In chapter 4, we saw in page number 26 important days. We learned in that topic there are many important days in our country which we celebrate. They are Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August and Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October. And we all celebrate together in our country by singing the national anthem and hoisting the national flag. Okay. Also we learn the points to remember that we celebrate festival and the special days with our family members, friends and neighbor. Festivals are special days and there are different kinds of festival we celebrate. Also words to learn: celebrate, religious, exchange, worship, fasting, founder, anthem and hoist. These are some new words we learned. Also children, we learned the exercises in page number 27, filling the blanks, writing true or false. Then I asked you to do the homework from C. Answer the following questions. What is a festival? Festival is a time of joy and celebration. Okay, that is festival. Name any two religious festivals. We learnt there are 4 festivals especially. Now you write any 2. What are they? We can write it as Diwali and Eid. They are 2 religious festivals among the 4 what we learn. Third one, how do people celebrate Independence Day and Republic Day? People celebrate Independence Day and Republic Day by singing national anthem and hoisting the national flag. Okay children, and then do and learn. There are some of the activity which helps us to remember the lesson well. So now in the activity it is asked you to make card for each member of your family and write their famous festivals. Okay, and they asked you to show in the class, but we have no coming to the class, so you can show to your parents. Now the second one, work in the group of 5, and since we are not in this, we are not in the school children, so you can write down the festival of Hindus, Muslims, Christians and Sikh people by yourself and write down under that festival different topics that you can write down the different festivals of the each religion and stick it in the chart paper. Also show to your father and mother. Next one, draw your favorite festival. Write 5 lines about how you celebrate it. So what you do, draw your favorite festival like for Diwali, Eid, Christmas, etc. and write 5 lines about that festivals. Okay children, we have completed from chapter 1 to 4. Okay, in chapter 1 we learned about introducing yourself. Second chapter we learned my body and its organs. The third chapter we saw others in my world. And the fourth chapter we saw celebrating together. Okay children, for all your classwork and the homework I will write down and send you in the telegraph. You can check it with your answers, and all the chapters have do and learn. So in page number 13 we have do and learn. In page number 18 we have do and learn, and in page number 23 we have do and learn, and in chapter 4 page number 28 we have do and learn. These are your some of the activity that you have to do for your personal learning, okay, which also helps you to remember what we learned in the chapters. So children, we end the class now here. So please, all your homeworks you do and complete it. The classwork also, the homeworks I will write down and send to you for your reference. Okay children, now wish you all the best. Do well and enjoy the day.